I was kind of like Barry Sanders of my high school team. Very quick, agile, knew where holes were, and just found them. Didn't get any calls from anybody because I don't know. D3 schools were sort of out of my league academically. Couldn't get in. So I couldn't get. My parents couldn't tell them to, just let the kid in. Because I was a little water bug. Just on it. Just totally seeing holes and meeting holes is what I was doing. So then, what's up, Nick 7? Come on. Take a look. Take a good look at me. Quality individual. Aloha from Mount Sizzle. Was that some Rotel dip? Well, there's some Pringles back there somewhere. Spooky season. If I go to fucking goddamn Target and shut the fuck up. Give me a fucking goddamn break. You can see through it. I don't know if I want that. It's all tucked back in the back. It's like a bitch made it. If I had a soccer ball full of goddamn pork, you guys wouldn't eat it. What the hell is that? Some sort of pizza roll? Looks like it's wrapped in an edible condom. Any tizer. Like no tizer. What in the fuck is that tucked back behind there? It's like a penis. I pains in it. It's hard. What the hell is going on with it? I don't know. Should we grab it? Put it in that dipping sauce? The other morning I woke up, somebody knocked down my chimes. If you knock down my chimes, you're gonna pay a price. I don't know who did it. Might have been the wind, might have been some kids. But if it's the kids, I'm coming after you. I'm coming after you. I'm coming after your chimes. I got a nail gun going. I got a nail gun. So if you fuck with the chimes, I'm not afraid to pull out a nail gun on your ass. It's not gonna feel good. I guarantee you that much. I listen to it all day long. You'll hear it before it hits you. I guarantee that much. Ouch, ouch. Don't fuck with the chimes, boys.